type of strategy should contain precise guidelines and goals that the organization wants to achieve by implementing the goals. Hello everyone, my name is Mark Anthony Cabia, a management student of STIE Gichi Business School. Today we're going to talk about creating value in customer-driven marketing strategy. Without further ado, let me just start it with the definition of the customer-driven marketing strategy. A customer-driven marketing strategy is a strategy of marketing activities of a given company, which as its main goal is to meet the expectations and the needs of the customer. This type of strategy should contain precise guidelines and goals that the organization wants to achieve by implementing the goals. The major steps in designing a customer-driven marketing strategy are market segmentation, targeting, differentiation, and positioning. You can refer to the diagram that is shown on the screen for designing customer-driven marketing strategy. So out of 4 major steps that I have mentioned, I am going to discuss about market segmentation. But before anything else, I would like to show you a short video clip regarding about market segmentation.
Market segmentation is a process used by marketers to group similar consumers together. This helps them better target their marketing efforts by sending the right messages to the right consumers. A market segment usually features 3 aspects. The first is homogeneity. The consumers in the segment have common needs. Second, each segment is distinctive. This implies the consumers in the group are different in some ways from consumers in other groups. Third is reaction, which implies that consumers in the segment will have similar responses to the marketing and advertising they see. One way to use market segmentation is by demographic. This refers to dividing consumers by aspects including age, gender, income, needs, or a combination thereof. Market segmentation can also be based on consumer behavior. This involves grouping consumers according to how they feel about a certain product or their knowledge of those products. Consumers who are very interested in gourmet cooking are likely grouped together for firms focused on the sale of exotic spices, rare wines, fine cookware, and sophisticated appliances. Consider a manufacturer of snowblowers. This company would use geography and home ownership as part of their approach to focus marketing and sales strategies. Their target consumers would be suburban and rural homeowners in countries like Canada, Sweden, and the northern U.S., rather than tropical countries like Brazil or Colombia.
Alright, market segmentation requires dividing a market into smaller segments with distinct needs, characteristics, or behaviors that might require separate marketing strategies or mixes. There are segmenting consumer markets, business markets, international markets, and requirements for effective segmentation. So, out of 4 segmentations mentioned, I'd like to talk about segmenting consumer markets. We have geographic segmentations, demographic segmentation, psychographic segmentations, and behavioral segmentation. Geographic segmentations divides the market into different geographical units such as nations, regions, states, countries, cities, and even neighborhoods. Demographic segmentations divides the market into segments based on variables such as age, life cycle stage, gender, income, occupation, education, religion, ethnicity, and generation. Psychographic segmentations divides the market into different segments based on a social class, life cycle, or personality characteristics, while behavioral segmentations divides the market into segments based on a consumer knowledge, attitudes, uses of products, or responses to a product. So, why is it market segmentations important? Market segmentations realizes that not all customers have the same interest, purchasing power, or consumers' needs. Instead of catering to all prospective clients broadly, market segmentations is important because it strives to make companies' marketing endeavors more strategic and refined. By developing specific plans for specific products with target audiences in mind, a company can increase its chances of generating sales and being more efficient with resources. In fact, market segmentations allow the company to increase its overall efficiency by focusing limited resources on efforts that produce the best return on investment. Well, the bottom line is that Market segmentation is a process companies use to break their potential customers into different sections. This allows the company to allocate the appropriate resource to each individual segments, which allow for more accurate targeting across the variety of marketing campaigns. Again, my name is Mark Anthony Cabia. Thank you for lending me your ear. See you in my next video.